Today we're doing a little bit of a Zara haul. Just a few little practical universal vacation pieces, okay? If you like how that sounds, keep watching. Now, these items are universally practical, yet sunshine and beach friendly, okay? Heavy on the sunshine. Quite often we explore and we manage to get our 10K step on while we are vacationing, okay? So, the perfect outfit considers comfort and style. Together, a great pair of shorts without constriction and lightweight stretchy tops constitute the perfect essentials for any environment. Additionally, if you're cold-natured like me, cold nature, hot nature, all of those things, because like the hormones be all over the place. However, if you are, you can easily layer up these pieces with a button-up top or consider wearing just like a lightweight summer sweater. So your vacation top should be multi-purpose and accommodate many occasions. And did I mention they should be cute, flattering, and also comfy? Oh, here are a few styles that can accommodate many silhouettes and fit a few style personality types. Additionally, and if necessary, these tops may be worn casually or dressed up and accessorized for a variety of occasions. And you know, in true Zara fashion, is not the easiest top to put on. Into knits. So I kind of picked up this cute little brown crop top number. The fabric is very, very thick. You can kind of see through it, but it's super cute. It's almost like a deep dark brown, but it's a super cute crop top. And you would think you could see through it, but you really can't. Like if you put a black or a dark brown bra beneath it, you're really onto something. So I think I'm gonna take this with me on vacation as well. Okay, on to the next. Let's talk about vacation dresses. Okay. Summer dresses are often lightweight, but your vacation dress, on the other hand, should accommodate a few things. It should accommodate comfort, your personal style type and mood, destination, and the occasion. For instance, in this haul, I'm featuring a few dresses that are suitable for vacations of relaxation, coastal vacations, beach vacations, and you must pack a universal slip dress that may accommodate many occasions. You know, the just-in-case piece. You guys know the Zara slip dresses are like always a hit. But I can appreciate the fact that it's a thicker satin, and I love that it's super strappy on the back. If you must wear a bra, I think you can wear a strapless bra with it and look super cute. So you can take a slip dress on vacation and look amazing. Okay, this dress is so cute, so comfy, so easy to wear. I love it on me. In honor of the denim on denim trend, I decided to go for a denim shoe. So nice. Let me come in a little bit closer so you guys can see like the fabric. So it looks like denim, but it's actually linen, and it's so cute. I would definitely wear this on vacation. In my mind, this is a sunny beach style dress. It looks like it's a sleeper style dress, but nevertheless, it is comfy. You can feel the breeze through all the little eyelet holes. Wear this over your swimsuit. Go to any beach town, take a walk on the beach. If you decide to sit down beachside, grab a few cocktails, you can take it off. Throw it into your tote, your straw bag, whatever. You might even have some flip-flops in your bag, you know. Like a really good option for beachside vacation, okay? And while day of travel may vary from person to person, I think the central idea is just to be cute and comfy while traveling. I kind of like the idea of having interchangeable pieces when traveling, so my pants that I travel in may also be worn while on vacation or even upon my return flight for that matter. So here I'm featuring a very elevated style cargo pants that may be worn casually or even dressed up when you get to your destination for like dinner or any cute like elegant event. Now this particular cargo pant doesn't necessarily have like the drawstring, but the elastic band in this one feels pretty tight. And also I did get these in an extra small because I could not find the small, as these were a pair that were on sale. I'll say the ribbon and the pockets on this particular pair of pants are like super elevated and just provide the perfect amount of like elevated style. It completes the pant beautifully. Ooh, hold up, I got something good coming. Yay, my jacket is here. I've been shopping the sales, so stay tuned for a luxury sale video. Now, some people love a good pair of denim while traveling. If so, I feature a pair of denim here, but guess what? You can also pair your denim with your layering pieces for the button-up top and or your summer sweater that you also packed for your vacation. So I think you're pretty well rounded and covered for many occasions or many style personalities, but I think you're covered for the most part. Little nautical pair of denim. They have this cute little gold button fly, have some little pockets on the back, bit of a cropped leg at the bottom, which is one of my favorites. I love the wash. They're pretty heavy. There's no stretch in these. Now, I probably wouldn't wear this top with it. I probably would put like a striped top on just to complete the nautical vibe. And I'm not sure if I would wear my little Smurf shoes with it or not. Consider me a Smurf, okay? Now, I thought this gold sweater slash metallic knit top and dress would be a great idea for my upcoming vacation, but apparently I may have been just a little bit too excited for vacation. Now, while both pieces are cute and I plan to keep at least one of them, they are simply made of poor quality, so I must return them. One thing, maybe two things that I didn't specify, but I didn't specify like monochromatic outfits. But monochromatic outfits are great for vacation because they give you this very cool vibe that's suitable for any environment. So monochromatics are always a good idea. Also, monochromatic looks often tend to be very interchangeable. So you can pair your monochromes with any suit, almost any sweaters, any button-up tops, whatever. Your monochromatic looks and your coordinated sets are a great idea for vacation. Now, I didn't feature any coordinated sets, but this is the closest I've gotten to a matching set in this video. However, bring your matching sets with you because they're very easy and they take all the guesswork out of getting dressed. Let me know your thoughts on all the pieces. Also, let me know which were your favorite. Let me know if you were able to catch the sale because Zara's having a good sale. I don't know if it's a good sale, but they're having a sale right now. So if you have a good vacation coming up, now is the time to get all of your pieces. My favorite time to shop, sale season. If you have enjoyed today's video and you want to continue to hang out with me, please click here.